Most landing pages fail not because of bad design, but because they don't tell a clear story. In this video, we will design AI generated scenario images for high converting product landing page and show you how to bring a custom product to life without expensive photo shoots. We provide landing page design services across multiple platforms. In this video, we will be designing the page for Shopify gem pages. So to start with, every strong landing page starts with clarity. Before designing anything, we need to define who the product is for, what problem it solves, and why someone should care within the first 5 seconds. This helps to structure the page for attention, trust, and conversion, not just aesthetics. Now we create a custom product design. We have 3D customizer tool on the website for which we are designing the landing page. So we will design the product page for this product, which is custom outdoor event tent. The dimensions are 10 feet by 10 feet. So here is the current product page of the client site, and we will design the product by using 3D customizer tool. We can select any tent type out of these based on the requirements. So let's say we select this one. We will create products for these one as well. PSM graphics. Okay, we will now customize the text and the design of the tent and upload the brand logo. Select the color. Okay, this is the text or the tagline of the brand. Here is the logo, which is the logo of eagle. So we will now download the product image and will use it in our AI image generation. Similarly, we will design the product for this tent type as well. Let's select the color. Again, upload the tagline of the brand. So here is the final tent image that we can use to create AI images. So once we have the product images ready, we will use Google Gemini to create the scenario images so that we can use them in our website landing page. So here is the product image, and we will give it a prompt to create a scenario images where the players will be moving towards a hydration unit that will be under this tent. So let's proceed. So as you can see, the AI has provided us the image where players are gathering towards a hydration unit, This is the same exact image that we customized in the customizer. So we will use these images in our website design. So similarly, we will now create another image for a scenario where the players are watching the game and they are using this tent to keep themselves safe from the scorching heat of the sun. So here is the prompt and let's proceed. So here is the final image where the players are watching the game under this tent. The tent is showing the branding of the team, their logo and the tagline. So now we will create another image of a college recruitment booth where a family is actively engaging with the recruiters. So here is the prompt and the image. So let's proceed. So here is the final image that we asked the AI to create for. This is the exact excellent image that AI have generated as per our prompt. So now we will create another scenario based image where a head coach and two assistant coach are reviewing their notes under the same tent. So here is the image of the product and here is the prompt. You can see that we have used images that are different in style so that we can highlight each scenario in a most efficient way. So here is the final image that AI have generated as per our prompt. So here are the final images that we have created for different scenarios using the AI. We will be using these images in our landing page design to enhance engagement and conversions. So here is the final version of the page that we have created and used these AI images. Here is the overall look. You can see how it was before, and this is the after version of the page. So once a user lands on this page, it shifts focus from just buying a tent to maximizing the brand visibility. The CTAs are quite clear. So if a user wants to buy, he will click here and then customize according to his brand. So as this is a high ticket product, so the fear of unknown may lead to less conversions. So we have made the visual roadmap highlighting the 10 easy steps that how the order will be completed. So we have also highlighted the 10 packages so that every customer know their needs and they will select the package according to their requirement. We have specifically highlighted the 3D customizer tool as it is very important because the user will first design their product and then the shipment will be done. So here is a visual representation how the customizer will work. Here is how they can customize according to their brand, and here is the final outlook. So we have highlighted all the scenario based images that showcase the use of the tent in different scenarios. It can be used by the players, athletes, schools, colleges and universities. So here we have highlighted the key features. Let's say it is waterproof, full dye sublimated graphics, heavy duty frame and all weather protection. So further we have highlighted that it is according to the industry standard, it is the strongest and the most durable, so giving it technical superiority to its competitors. So to reduce friction, we have also added the section of facts. Once again, we have simplified the process of how to order. Then we have the social proof. It will be live on the page as it is a preview version. So the next these last paragraphs are for on page SEO. We have taken care of the technical SEO and on page SEO as well during the design of this page.